I'm Martin with CURT Group. I'm here at the Unlimited Off-Road Expo at the Texas Motor Speedway, and I want to show you some of the Aries products that are on this Jeep JK. This Jeep Wrangler was built by Starwood Motors, one of our Team Aries Pro builders that we partnered up with to make this show vehicle. Starting on the front end, we got the Aries TrailChaser bumper. This bumper is a modular design, meaning that you can mix and match components to customize the look of it. On this example, we're showing the bullnose brush guard, end caps with flush mount LED lights. Moving to the side, we've got the Aries Fender flares, both front and rear. This is showing with a 35-inch tire and a 4-inch lift kit, and you can see it opens up quite a bit. You could put a 37-inch tire on this and it would have plenty of clearance as well. And on the inside, we have the inner fender liner. Moving to the side, we've got tube doors. So if you want to go doors off, safari style, you can rock the tube doors. Also, we're showing LED lights with LED brackets. We have the hood mount bracket and a 20-inch LED light, single row, and the windshield bracket with a 50-inch double row LED. Our newest product, which I'm really excited to showcase, is the ActionTrac running boards. It looks kind of like a standard running board, but it is actuated to have a step within a step. So from the top step to the bottom step is an 8-inch drop. From the bottom step to the door panel is about 15 inches. If you want to run with your doors off, there is an optional door delete kit. You can install this optional switch right here. Basically, it's a sensor override. So you don't have your factory doors on, you don't have the magnet on your door. You can just trigger this manual switch to activate the step. Another really cool thing about these steps is with the top step, if you want to get up, say you're loading something on the top of your Jeep in a cargo rack, you have access up here or to clean your car. And that's the basic rundown. They're fairly easy to install. We have an installation video, so if you're a DIY guy, just check out our install video and you can see that you can do it yourself. On the back of this Jeep, we have several products, also showing the TrailChaser bumper. On the rear, similar to the front, it is a modular design. And these end caps, these are actually new end caps that have integrated LED lights. We're also showing our heavy-duty spare tire carrier, which replaces the factory hinges, so it can open and close just like a factory door. On the inside, we have the security cargo lid, which works with or without the hard top. So if you want to go topless, it's a great way to be able to still have lockable, secure storage inside your Jeep. All right, that's what I wanted to show you on this Jeep JK. Big thanks to our friends over at Starwood Customs. If you want to learn more about Starwood Customs or the Team Aries Pro Builder Program, check out teamaries.com. Thanks for watching.